welcome back to another video. So today's video, I have got the Modelones lipstick kit. Now this is the Emboldened lipstick kit, and there is another one as well called Fierce. So Modelones has already brought out two lipstick kits, a purple and a pink. But these two new lipstick kits, they have collaborated with Pantone Colour Institute. So yeah, these are rather special. So inside the bag you get your user manual, you get a little buffer, a little file, some tweezers, cuticle tool. Oh, these are cool. Look at these. Holographic squares, but they've got like lines in them. How cool are they? I've not got anything like that. They're really, really cool. We've got some embellishments, Fimos, pearls, all sorts going on in there. Really cute. Oh, look at the little love hearts. Oh, they're cool. Oh, these are pretty. You get some glow-in-the-dark crystals. Look at them. They are super pretty. Love them. Then you get the Modelones mini lamp. Oh, you get a little postcard. And then finally, we've got the gel polishes. Now look at these guys. Ooh, I'm so excited to get my hands on these. Look at them. They are so pretty. So pretty. And look at the bag that it comes in. How cool is that? I love that bag. That is so cool. Love that. So you've basically got everything to do yourself a gel polish manicure. These little mini lamps are so handy. You know, if you want to take it traveling or if you're a beginner starting out, they're really, really handy, these lamps. So, I'm going to pop these away for a sec. Take a look at the little lamp. You get the instructions in the box. Connect the USB cable, then plug into the power source. Press the button to start a 45-second cure. Press the button for about 2 seconds for a 60-second cure. So you've got 45 seconds and 60 seconds. I like this as well. It just proves that it has been tested. So this end plugs in here like that. And then this end goes into a USB plug. So this is a USB adapter plug. So you just slot that in there like that. And then plug that into your mains. What I like about these mini lamps is the legs pull out. The legs pull out like this, so you can have it standing up like this. Pop your hand in, pop your tips in, whatever you're using. But if you just want to quickly flash cure something, I like that the legs have got the holes in. So you can just hold it over if you just want to quickly flash cure. I really like that about these mini lamps. So we'll be using that today. See how that performs. Right, let's take a look at the colours, shall we? Ooh, look at these. I'm so excited. I have been dying to get my hands on one of these kits, guys. There we go. Look at all them. This one is Leatrice. gorgeous purple colour. Vibrant orange. Artisans Gold. Directory Blue, I think that says. Now, these last two are rather special. So this one is called Lovebird. Look at that. And this one is probably my favourite one. It's called Tanager Turquoise. Tanager, I'm not sure. And these two here are glow in the dark. Eee! I can't wait to see how they glow. So then you get the base coat also. And you get, in this kit, you get a matte top coat. Oh, this kit was obviously made for me. Being a matte girl and all. Can't wait to try this matte top coat. I reckon it's going to be awesome. Because I love the Modelones shiny top coat. So I've got high hopes. High hopes. So I think in today's video, I'm going to give these all a swatch. And then I'm going to do a little design using nearly all the colours. I think I'll probably use nearly all the colours bar one, I think. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. So let's swatch them, shall we? So first up is Directoire Blue. And look at these bottles, guys. They've got like a rubbery matte texture. Oh, that's so nice. That's really... Oh, I can't stop touching it. It's so nice. Wow. Look at that coverage. For a blue as well. Blues usually tend to be quite sheer, I found. Look at that. Oh my days. Look at that, guys. Wow. Amazing coverage. Next one is Leatrice. These are so creamy. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Then we've got Vibrant Orange. Again. For a neon orange, that is crazy. Look at that for a neon orange, guys. One coat. Wow. So I'm going to give these a quick cure. See what this lamp's like. Now it says these cure in 30 to 60 seconds, but because I'm using the mini lamp, I'm going to give them a 60-second just to be sure that they're fully cured. If I was using my main big lamp, I would just cure them for 30. This one is Artisans Gold. This is an unusual colour. I've not got anything like this in my collection. Nothing. Again, look at that for one coat. Wow. So we've got Tanager turquoise or Tanager turquoise. I'm not sure which that is. Oh, I've got long hair. Oh, where's my skizzers? That's better, I love this one. This is definitely my favourite. Definitely. That is beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, yes. Love it. Then lastly, we have got Lovebird. Wow. I did so well not getting no fluff on these. And the last one, typical. Typical. 2 bits of fluff actually. So annoying. Well, look at that for a glow in the dark. That is not bad at all, is it? Glow in the dark gel polishes do tend to be more sheerer. I don't think that's bad coverage at all. Right guys, so they've all had 2 coats. I did the second coat off camera because I don't want this video to get too long. So now I'm going to go over them with the Modelones shiny top coat. Pulled out this Modelones shiny top coat, what I already had, because obviously the kit comes with a matte top coat. And I wanted to do them half matte and half shiny like I normally do. So I'm quickly going to give these all a coat of the shiny top coat, and then like I normally do, I shall go over the bottom half with the matte top coat. And then we will take a better look at them. That's them all had a shiny top coat. Ooh, I love this Modelones shiny top coat. It is super, super shiny. Look at that. It's like glass. Love it. So I just want to quickly take a look at this matte top coat before we use it. Ooh, it's ever so clear. A lot of matte top coats that I use are quite cloudy. Look how clear that is, guys. That is really clear. It's not too thick. Ooh, I can't wait to see what these look like. So, like I normally do, I'm just going to go along the bottom half. So there we are. That is them all had 2 coats. They've all had a coat of the Modelones shiny top coat on the top half and the matte top coat on the bottom half. Look how pretty those colours are, guys. They are so bright and vibrant and creamy and opaque. You wait until you see these 2 glowing at the end. Oh, I'm going to insert a picture at the end of the video and you can see them glowing. They are super, super luminous. Look how matte that top coat is. I I think I found myself another new favourite matte top coat. And it's not got that horrible rubbery texture either. It's really, really smooth. I love that. Can't wait to get some of that on my nails. So I want to say a massive thank you to Modelones for sending me these to try. I really enjoyed using them. And the lamp worked perfectly. Cured them in 60 seconds. So now I'm going to get on and do a design using these gel polishes. I'm going to use these crystals as well, and I'm going to use something out of these embellishments, but I'm not sure what yet. But keep your eyes peeled for that video tomorrow and you'll see what I use. As always, I shall leave a link to this set in my description box below. I've also got a discount code for you to use as well, which is KOL15. So pop that in at checkout and you'll save yourself 15% off. I shall also link that in my description box below as well. I think that's everything for this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.